Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove movies from your list on Netflix. So here I've already opened the Netflix app on my phone, and I'm going to go to my list of movies. So here is my list, and this is the list of movies or shows that I add to my list. And to delete or to remove the movies, you can just click on the title. So for example, here is the title, then you can just scroll down, and then here in the my list you can see that now is checked. You can just click on this check icon to remove it from your list like this. Oops. Then after that, the movies or show will be removed to your list. When you go back, it will no longer there on your list of playing. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.